Welcome to our tutorial on how to install Java 22 on Windows. In this video we will walk you through the process step by step. The first step to download the Java 22 installer from the official website. Open your web browser. I have Google Chrome, and just search Java downloads. Okay, you will get the first link, which is from the oracle.com, and just click on it. You will see different versions of Java. We are going to install Java JDK 22, and we have Linux, Mac OS and Windows. We need to click on this Windows option and click on x64 installer, which is of 164.31 MB, and click on this link. Okay, now once the download is complete, locate to your downloads folder. This is the file which we have downloaded, and right click on this file and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Click next. This is the installation folder of your JDK 22. Click on next, and it will start installing JDK 22 on your Windows machine. Okay, now to verify your JDK 22 is properly installed, just search cmd command prompt and click on it and type Java -version. So it is showing 22.0.1, which is JDK 22, and you can also check Java C-version. It is 22, so compiler is also installed with the JDK. So thanks for watching, and please do like, subscribe and share the YouTube channel to your friends, and thank you.